Shout out to all of you guys out there in YouTube world that's been showing me love.
John Savage all day.
This right here is gonna be my new intro to my videos. So y'all keep it locked, stay tuned, and I'm gonna keep dropping videos from this point on. Sky's the limit, we're gonna take off, y'all. Barber Illuminati. What's up, YouTube? This is Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I got a review of a new product. This product right here, it just came in the mail. Shout out to Miss Mika for looking out and getting this product right here for me. I'm gonna do a quick review and let you guys know what's in here. And it's one of those products that's been advertised really hard on social media. It took a good 78 days for it to come in the mail. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and let you guys see what we got. Okay, now we're back. Now, check it out. This is the product. It just got here from China, like I said before. It's been here, it took about 78 days. Shout out to Miss Mika for getting me this. I'm not sure what the name of this product is. I can't pronounce it, whatever it is. It's like I said, it's a Chinese product. It's been advertised really heavy on social media. This is the box. This is the product right here. It's S-UPTRME. I guess, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is the trimmer. Go ahead, take off the case of it. Like I said, this is the covering. Comes in a really neat case. Looks like it's takes the phone charger to charge this thing right here. Look like it hooks up to a USB cord or something like that. There's a button down here that turns the machine on. Seem to be zero gapped already. Based off of what I can see, it's 2-speed. So if you hit the button one time, it turns it on. Hit it again, it slows it down. Hit it again, it turns it off. Looks like a pretty sturdy product. Put this down, take this off. And normally with clippers, they always come with other I guess guards and stuff. Comes with about 4 guards. 1, 2, 3, 4 guards. And some instructions. And okay, this is the functional manual. It's got a lot of information that we never use. Got some Chinese hieroglyphics or whatever the hell you want to call that. But comes with this cool looking brush. And I guess this is the charger right here. And this charger hooks up to a USB. I'm going to unplug my USB right here. Plug it into this one. Go ahead and charge it. I want to say this is the same charger that one would use to charge up their cell phone. It's supposed to be charging, but that red light didn't come on. So, I don't know. Guess that light's supposed to come on when you plug the charger in. Oh, there it is. I just didn't push it in all the way. So now the red light's on. I guess you can use it while it's charging and while it's off. This looks like those products that I see on the internet all the time. Although the person that purchased this for me told me that they purchased a gold version of this, but the black one came instead. I don't know if I would recommend this. Like I said, this looks like it's zero gapped already. Looks like a pretty sturdy tool. But the last thing you would want is for you to order something and the wrong product comes in, and for it to take 78 days for it to come to you in the mail. So I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this review right now, and in about a month or so, hold on y'all. In about a month or so, I'm gonna go ahead and drop another review, let you guys know how I feel about this product. But from what I can see so far, it looks pretty sturdy. Don't like the fact that it took so long to get here, and that I had issues with, well, that we had issues with the actual color and the type of product that we ordered. So as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and go with this. quick look at this again, S-UPTRME. There's a couple of other name brands on here too. I'm not sure if you can see this, but quick, I don't know if this is supposed to say magic, but it's A9. So it's the thing about buying Chinese products, you never really know what the name brand or whatever it is. So as of right now, this is my review, and check back with me in about a month and I'll give you an update on how I feel about the quality of the product. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody that's been supporting this channel, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's custom_made_cuts. And I'm gonna unplug this and just kind of let you guys see how it looks. Like I said, it looks like it's already zero gap, and feels pretty sturdy to me. I don't know. I'll let you guys know soon. Peace.